This video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install themes on BibleShow. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to find your themes, first go to options here and choose the first option, which is themes. And you see the current themes that are available here. Now they are grouped into categories. You can see them here. Go ahead and click on this drop down arrow. And from here, choose the category that you wish by just clicking on it. And you can see it will be highlighted here. Now what you need is to go ahead and install this if you want to use this. So I'll head to download here. And as you can see, by clicking on this, I have an option to download these themes. And you can also select the package by just clicking on the drop down here. We have quite a number of these packages. We have from 1 to 13. Choose any that you wish. And if you happen to choose, you'll be able to see the preview here of the theme that you have just chosen. Now to install the chosen theme, go ahead and tap on download and install. And this will go ahead and begin downloading and installing this theme on your computer. And here we go. The theme has now been installed on my computer. So you can now start using any of these themes to project your scriptures without any issue on your screens. As you can see, here we have the display. You can now change them from here, just like this. By clicking on any of them, you'll be able to see the scriptures displayed in those various themes. So that's how you can download and install themes on BibleShow. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.